Hey everybody, it's Chris from the Droning Company here at CUAV 2023 in Las Vegas, Nevada. Joined again by Josh Ogden of AVSS. Josh, really nice to see you, man, absolutely. So we talked about this in Denver. What's new? What's going on? What are we seeing with this payload precision system?
Yeah, so for the guided delivery system, we've got it in market now. We've got some new iterations going on. We're actually operationalizing it right now in a northern community in Canada. This community is on an island. They have the mainland, and they have issues with weather and flying at night and ice breakup. So they're using it for like an emergency management tool. Oh. So what we're seeing right now is early adoption on what are those use cases, how can we help people out, and collecting that data. We've actually got a researcher following one of the projects for the next year to collect that socioeconomic analysis and say, how is this helping people out? We know that technically it performs well, we know the accuracy, we know the mission profile, but now it's like, okay, go put it out there, and you see it with DFR, you see people using thermal to find the lost kid. Yeah. Those situations are now what we're looking to quantify.
Yeah, absolutely. And with the way that this works, and there are a lot of different scenarios that could play out, but what's one scenario that like really you guys are confident this would work out in terms of like a search and rescue situation? Dropping goods, supplies, aid?
Yeah, so the big thing on this application is it's somewhere where you can't land. It's probably going to be by fixed wing in the future, and it's a situation like we've shown 100% accuracy within 16 meters of a GPS point, so you don't need that large of an area. So really, as long as there's an open area, we've got it. And so we're finding there's got to be a barrier, and maybe not a 30 kilometer, but we're seeing right now like island to mainland as the critical kind of applications that we're tackling right now.
Sure. And in terms of compatibility with UAV platforms, because there's tons out there, how do you guys work around that? How do you work into integration?
Yeah, so this is integrated right now on the Alta X as you see here. It's also integrated on the M300. We have other platforms. Products that use either a PX4 or R2 we have a Maveling communication, so that integrates nicely. We designed just a custom bracket to attach it, and then on DJI products we have a solution to make it work. So we have various types that can be integrated. It's a really actually simple product to integrate because of our drop system we've already designed, as well as just the mounting locations.
Okay, excellent. Now, if people want to learn more about AVSS, your solutions, whether it's the payload drop, whether it's the rescue systems, where can they go to find more information?
So avss.co, you'll see a lot more about the drone parachute, go through website update, but on our LinkedIn is a great profile where you're seeing real videos, unedited, real applications, and seeing real people use it.
Absolutely. Excellent. Josh, always nice to see you, man. Absolutely. Thank you so much for your time.